saying? 2 for homicide shit, man. Frank Izzo, House homicide, Jesus in here, jigging in the trigger, man. You already know, man. Slow. Homicide shit, man. Trigger, man. Tell him like this. Chuck. You need some work? Listen here, I can service that. Come to the trap house where you can place your order at. Give me like a half go through the back where you get your order at. Got crack, got weed, pills and syrup on that. Bitch, I been fly. Go check out my flight stats. You say that you fly, boy? Show me where your wings at. I dish out, you bring back. I pop blues, I lean back. They hit jig, I love that. I'm in the bench scoop with that top back. I'm served sipping, I ain't slipping. Nigga, know I stay strapped. Your bitch, she on my dick, so I'm about to let her taste that. I drink my liquor straight. Yeah, you rarely see me chase that. I can make it rain. My money, I don't waste that. I fucked up, but I know how to get back. Drop it in the Pyrex, whip it to it, come back. Poppy throw me 9, told me to bring them 5 back. Getting to the money, haters mad, they can't stop that. Cause I'm on my grind, money on my mind, ain't got no time to be wasting. Everyday trap hard, I'm not a star, every night I'm getting wasted. You new to this, I'm true to this, to me it's everyday shit.
Yeah, Frank Izzo. Listen, I'm on the block all day, strapped with the trap and the Glock all day, trying to knock off, yay. But it's kinda hard when it's cops at the top of your block all day. Fuck that shit, I'ma grind still. Dutch full of purple and 9 pills. The next day I'ma be high still. On the paper tape trying to find mills. Pull up on your block in the flywheel. Ice on the watch, make the time chill. Like Spalding, I'm ballin'. You can say I know how LeBron feel. Swag on 1,000, cash I be counting. Gotta get this money so I'm bagging them ounces. I ain't never dirty, keep the stash in the houses. Now you gotta brag, just ask my accountant. What my money looking like? You got loose change, so your money looking tight. Y'all clown niggas is the funny looking type. Fiends on my block, I'm like 20s looking right. 100 every night, I'm with a buck sack. Bustin' at me, I'ma bust back. Let the gun clap. Y'all pussy niggas like a gym bag. I got one strap. Yeah.
Homicide.
Tommy, man, I'm about to kill this shit. I'm saying something small, something like that. I'm on 2 for homicide, we on.
Yeah, know, man. Slow the boys, man.
Slow the boys. Shaq. I see you looking, yeah, you see me, nigga, and you see these women, 2 little freaky bitches, and you see the linen, you see them 2 G's in the jeans, got LVs, and the wrist on freezer, whips with TVs, and them rims be free, spinning ballistic when he spin it, they asking how he get it, the pot got that shit in it, it's hot but I'm whipping it, and the wrist is chillin', the watch got it in Switzerland, no doubt that it's glistening, every diamond is different. I'm shining, wear your goggles on, blinding you instantly. You know that my pockets laid. I got on them Prada shades. I wear those on them hottest days when exposed to a lot of hate. You with 4 niggas fiending, screaming past the Dutchie. I'm with 4 niggas leaning, screaming past the smut me. I get it, then I fuck her, pass it, then I get it back, smash it, kick her out, then flip that message, do this everyday shit. My money steady chasing for that. Yeah, listen, we in here, man. Frank Izzo. I fucked it up, but it was still hot though. You gonna listen to it. Homicide for all the boys, you know what I mean? Let's go.
You already know what it is, man.